Hello, and welcome. Today we embark on a journey to cultivate not just herbs but little pockets of joy right in our homes, no matter how small they may be. Many believe that a garden requires vast spaces, but I believe that even the tiniest corner can spark immense joy. We'll discover how to select herbs that thrive in compact environments. Imagine the satisfaction of snipping fresh basil for your pasta or rosemary for your roast, all from your very own indoor haven. Together, let's transform your home into a haven of flavor and fragrance. Let's begin. Just as we choose items that spark joy in our homes, we must choose herbs that resonate with our culinary desires and thrive within our space limitations. Begin by reflecting on the flavors you gravitate towards. Do you delight in the refreshing zest of mint or the robust aroma of rosemary? Consider the amount of sunlight your space receives. Basil, for instance, thrives in warmth and sunshine, while parsley can tolerate shadier spots. Don't be afraid to experiment with compact varieties like dwarf basil or thyme, which are perfectly content in smaller containers. Remember, our goal is to cultivate a garden that brings us joy, not overwhelm. Begin with just a few herbs that you truly love and that will thrive in your specific environment. This thoughtful selection process will set the stage for a happy and abundant herb garden. As your confidence grows, you can gradually introduce new herbs, expanding your culinary palette and the joy your garden brings. Just as every item in our home deserves a designated space, so too do our herbs. Selecting the right pots and containers can spark as much joy as the herbs themselves. Consider the material terracotta, ceramic, or even upcycled containers. Each brings its own charm to your space. Ensure your chosen pots have drainage holes to prevent overwatering, which can dampen your herb's spirits. Size matters too. Choose pots that provide ample space for your herbs to grow, allowing their roots to breathe and flourish. Remember, a pot that sparks joy for both you and your herbs is the perfect choice. Visualize your herbs thriving in their new homes. This mindful selection process will ensure a harmonious and joyful environment for your herbs to thrive. Windowsills, often overlooked, can be transformed into vibrant herb gardens, bathing your home in sunlight and fragrance. Assess the direction your window faces to determine the amount of sunlight it receives. South-facing windows are ideal for sun-loving herbs like basil and oregano. North-facing windows, offering gentler light, are perfect for parsley, chives, and mint. Don't hesitate to rotate your herbs occasionally, ensuring they all receive their fair share of sunshine. Imagine the joy of witnessing your herbs basking in the sun's warmth, their leaves reaching towards the light. This connection with nature, even in a small space, can bring a sense of peace and tranquility to your home. Let your windowsill become a stage for your herbs to shine, transforming ordinary spaces into vibrant expressions of life and flavor. Even the smallest balcony can be transformed into a fragrant oasis, a testament to the boundless possibilities of nature. Begin by decluttering your balcony, creating a clean slate for your herb garden. Vertical gardening is a wonderful way to maximize space. Imagine cascading herbs adorning a tiered plant stand or hanging planters adding a touch of whimsy. Remember to arrange your herbs strategically, ensuring taller plants don't overshadow their smaller companions. Consider adding a small table and chair, creating a serene spot to enjoy your morning coffee amidst the fragrant herbs. This dedicated space, however small, can become a source of tranquility and joy, reminding us of nature's boundless beauty. Let your balcony herb garden be a reflection of your personal style, a testament to the joy that comes from nurturing life and creating a harmonious space. Just as we tidy our homes to maintain a sense of order and peace, our herb gardens also thrive with mindful care and attention. Regular watering is essential, but be mindful of overwatering, which can dampen your herb's spirits. Gently touch the soil to gauge its moisture level. If it feels dry, it's time for a refreshing drink. Remember, each herb has its own preference, so observe their individual needs and water accordingly. Regular pruning not only encourages bushier growth but also allows you to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Snip off a few sprigs of rosemary for your roast chicken, or add fresh mint to your evening tea. These simple acts of care not only nourish your herbs, but also bring a sense of fulfillment and joy to your gardening journey. As we conclude our journey into the world of tiny herb gardens, remember that cultivating a thriving garden is about more than just following steps. It's about creating a space that sparks joy and nourishes your soul. Start small, with just a few herbs that bring you joy, and allow your garden to evolve organically, just like the herbs themselves. Embrace the process, the successes, and even the occasional learning curve. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. May your homes be filled with the delightful aroma of fresh herbs and the boundless joy that comes from nurturing life in even the smallest of spaces. Don't forget to subscribe and share your own herb growing experiences in the comments below.